It begins here in the golden embrace of the sun, a vast living factory where nature creates our raw ingredients. We select only the finest fruit, crisp, dew-kissed, and bursting with potential, waiting for the perfect moment of harvest. These trees carry history in their bark. It is a story of resilience and deep-rooted tradition that grounds our entire process. Harvesting is a team effort. Skilled hands work with precision, gathering nature's bounty with the respect it deserves. Every twist is deliberate. Our harvesters ensure that the fruit remains unblemished, preserving the pristine quality of the apple. Abundance flows from the orchard to the crate. This is the first step in a journey from the farm to your table. The journey shifts gears. Logistics take over as we transport these bins from the quiet orchard to the bustling factory. Nothing enters without approval. Rigorous inspection ensures that only apples meeting our strict standards make the cut. Science meets nature. We test sugar levels precisely, ensuring the raw juice has the perfect balance for fermentation. Hygiene is paramount. The apples undergo a thorough, high-pressure wash, scrubbing away the outdoors to prepare for processing. We crush the fruit, releasing a river of rich, golden juice ready for transformation. The rotating drums separate the juice from the pumice, ensuring we utilize every part of the harvest. These stainless steel tanks hold the juice as we control the temperature to begin the biological magic. Under the microscope, active yeast cells bubble away, converting natural sugars into alcohol. Tower specialists monitor the pressure valves, managing the volatile environment of active fermentation with expert care. Watch as the cider matures, changing color and clarity as it settles into a rich amber hue. The mother of vinegar, a living culture that transforms cider into health-boosting vinegar. apples are transformed into a consistent mash to maximize the yield of every single fruit. Transparent pipes carry the precious liquid through the facility, keeping it untouched and completely pure. We remove solids while keeping the essential nutrients intact. Through these heat exchangers, we gently pasteurize the juice, ensuring safety and stability without compromising the flavor. Taste specialist introduces the mother culture, sparking the second fermentation that creates the vinegar. In this corridor, the vinegar ages slowly, developing its complex, tangy profile. Our automated line fills, caps, and labels thousands of bottles with synchronized mechanical perfection. Every bottle is hand-packed into trays to ensure it arrives to you safely.
We need an inventory check on aisle 7.
Copy that, heading there now.
And this golden hued one is excellent for digestion.
I'll take 2 bottles of that.
We also have a spicy version if you're interested.
I'm so glad we started using this ACV.
It really brings out the flavor in the salad. The kids can't get enough of it.
watch how easily the golden liquid emulsifies with oil and herbs to create a fresh dressing.
These ACV gummies changed my life.
I take mine every morning. Highly recommend.
Tastes great and works.
Innovate, inspire, sustain. There is the core of our brand's mission moving forward.
This section right here is where the innovation happens. We should prioritize these updates.
I agree completely. That solves the scalability issue we discussed.
To a successful season. Absolutely. We're committed to quality together.
The filling nozzles spiral the liquid into bottles with incredible accuracy and hygiene. Laser scanners verify the data, guaranteeing full traceability from the orchard to your pantry. See how it integrates into daily wellness, applied gently as a natural toner for the skin.
Supporting your gut microbiome is essential for overall wellness.
I often recommend apple cider vinegar to help maintain that balance right here in the large intestine.
The final product stands proudly on the shelf, a trusted health solution available for everyone.
Our infographic highlights the meticulous process, ensuring quality control at every stage of the natural transformation.
A symbol of mindful living and personal growth sitting right on your table. We ensure accountability at every step so you can trust the bottle that arrives at your door. This is the journey of quality, innovation, and nature's enduring power.